this is Sharifa, just nailed it, and you have stumbled upon 12 Days of Christmas. Today is day 1. Pumpkin's Nail Station and I are doing 12 Days of Christmas, so I'm going to try my best to put her link as the first pinned comment. So check that out. If it's not there, it will be in the description box. On the first day of Christmas, we are doing Christmas trees. So I have got this beautiful blue nail by Modelones. It is called Dreamy Summer. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to be using some stencils by twinkletea.com. I've had these since I first started doing nails, and this is my first chance to ever use them, or remembering to use them. So all you gotta do is peel this off. Christmas tree will stay there. You place on your nail where you want this at. Apply that on the nail, smooth it out. Simple, right? So take your polish, and I'm using green, of course, to make my little Christmas tree. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really nice and easy, right? This green is by Modelones. It's a neon. It is 033. I got this off of Amazon. So let's now peel up our stencil. There is our beautiful Christmas tree. Easy peasy. So I'm going to now stick this in the lamp for a flash cure. Please stay tuned because, like I said, we are doing 12 Days of Christmas, which means for the next 12 days there will be a video, hopefully not too long, of one nail. It's not a full manicure, it is one nail. Excuse me, I'm thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. And I invite you now to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell, the notification bell, and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. December is going to be a full packed month. And there we go, there's our Christmas tree. It's not quite centered good enough, but you know, what are you going to do? I am going to take some glue gel, and I'm going to put it down here on the nail. I'm going to try to add some Christmas snow. I'll show you in just a second what that's going to be. I'm going to be using the Hollow Erica Mix Opal. It is this beautiful, beautiful crystal mix like. Oh, I wish it would pick it up good on camera because it is just beautiful. And this again is by She Modern. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope to gosh this is coming across right on the screen because it's just a beautiful mix. I'm just going to dip it in, tap it off, and call it a day. I don't have a really great palette to put out. Let me see here. Let me see. There we go. I got ones with paint on it, dried paint, the whole shebang. So I'm going to dip this in, tap it off. See, we got snow. We got snow. I'm going to like push this down into the glue a little bit. I'm going to stick this in the lamp again. Put the cap back on this. Now, I'm going to get my palette, which I need some white on. So I'm going to have some falling snow as well. It's going to be winter time, so we gotta... Christmas is coming upon us quickly here. Time is flying by with COVID going on this year. I hope everybody is staying safe, wearing their masks, being precautious. It's the only thing we can do, right? They've got this second wave going on here in Michigan, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It's just, oh Lord, I don't even know where to go with it. All you can do is pray, put it in God's hands, and hope that God carries us through. There are a lot of you that don't believe in God, and to each their own. To each their own is all I can say right now about that. But today, we're doing our Christmas tree. We got some colors out here. We put a couple of dots for ornaments. We're gonna have some falling snow. So we got quite a manicure going on here. I shouldn't say a manicure, a little one nail manicure going on. And that's alright. So make sure you check out Pumpkin's nail station for what she's doing. We try and see if this has got any excess toothbrush. Oh, there we go. See our snow, it just twinkles. Twinkle, twinkle. So I'm going to get my dotting tool. It's very small. Very small. And we're going to put some random falling snow here. Just a few, not many. We don't want a blizzard. Alright. Let's see now. We can put some little ornament marks on here. Just itty bitties. Just itty bitties. Hope I am still in frame. Get us a pink one. An orange one maybe. A yellow one. I am going to, okay, let me cure this real quick again. So I'm going to top coat, I'm going to put a star at the top of my Christmas tree. I am. So let me put this back over here. By She Modern is hollow. Hearts, moons, and stars. I'm sure I can get a star off of here. There we go. There's one little star. See it? So we got our star going. Just gotta wait for our nail in the lamp. Sorry, I'm thirsty. I'm just... I like to film in the morning, and sometimes I get really parched. Really parched. So we're gonna wait while this takes a minute in the lamp. I invite you to check out my other video, see if you can stumble upon something else that might draw your interest. You never know what you're going to find. So, I think our nail should be done. We are going to top coat it now. I'm going to use Beetle's top coat, top it off, because I was using a Gel Beauty, and that one's about at the end of its bottle. So we're going to switch over here to Beetle's. It's not thick like a Gel Beauty, but it'll still do us good. Put this both ways, put this back in the lamp. Oh wait, let me put my star on. Gotta have my star on top of my tree. See, I got my star. Whoops. Whoopsie. So I'm gonna pause this and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back fresh out of the oven. with our one little nail. Here she is. Here's our Christmas tree for the first day of Christmas out of our 12 days of Christmas. I think it turned out really super cute. We have got our sugar snow. Well, it's not sugar, but our glistening snow down below. I think it's so cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Your comments are greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell because there's a lot of videos coming this month. I've got 2 a day going on. I got a 12 Days of Christmas plus Charlie's Advent Calendar. So stay tuned for that. Have a blessed day and thank you.